Support for Windows XP ends in April 2014, but less than half of all large organizations have started to migrate from XP to Windows 7. That's not surprising considering that migrations typically involve hours of IT time, downtime for users, and data loss. With a typical migration tool like Microsoft USMT, you have to install migration files and folders into each computer. A very time-consuming and repetitive process. Then you have to create a migration store by writing custom XML code to migrate files and settings. And with just one mistake, you lose valuable data. Then there's the transfer time for both IT and that employee whose computer has been taken over. And did we mention you have to start the process all over for the next user? So, why hasn't anyone managed to make migration easier? There are products out there that claim to solve these challenges, but they come with issues of their own. User virtualization software is complicated and expensive, requiring a large investment in server, storage, and network infrastructure. Solutions that try to automate the standard migration process eliminate custom coding, but they're still time-consuming, as you have to transfer data and settings for each computer, one at a time. Some solutions try to simplify migration by putting the entire old OS inside the new OS. But those are complicated for users to use as they now have two operating systems. Why does migration have to be so complicated? You should be able to port data and settings over to a new OS easily and scale that process across all users. The great news is that with an endpoint backup solution that backs up both data and settings, you can do just that. First, mass deploy the backup client to all devices. Data and personal settings are automatically backed up, so you don't have to worry about data loss, and you'll be able to sleep peacefully at night. An intuitive interface eliminates any need for custom coding. Plus, all data and settings are backed up in the background, so users remain productive, and there's no chance of data loss. Users can self-restore data and personal settings to their new machine with a single click. It's that simple. Even after migration, backup protects and secures corporate data against loss and breach. Why would you want to migrate any other way?